Hi Taurus, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Taurus. For your general energies, career situation and relationship, we'll be picking few cards. So these are for your general energies, Taurus. This is for your relationship. I'll keep this card here, and this card is for your career situation. And today we'll be picking one card for the message from your person. So this will be your message card, and one card from the fortune cookie. So we have an open fortune cookie. We will pick another card here. Oh, all these cards are okay. We will pick this card. So that will be your lucky, lucky inspiration for the day. Something to bring good luck. So let's start the reading. If you like this reading and if it resonates, Taurus, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And if you are interested in a personal reading, I have a very good friend of mine doing personal reading in Fiverr. So you can contact her. I'll be sharing her link in the description. So let's leave these cards here. We will start with these cards for your general energies. We have Eight of Air, Messenger of Fire, Page of Water. So in your circumstances today, maybe in your work or maybe in your relationship, you are a person who wants clarity, who is really honest, and you are a strong, determined person. So whatever maybe you are seeing in your situation, you try to do things the right way, and you try to resolve any circumstance using your skills and talents, and you are not someone who just lets go of anything easily. So if you make a choice, you stand by the choices you make. And today you are seeing your situation with a better clarity. All the illusions you had, maybe it may be because of some expectations you had, all that is clearing up. You are feeling much more better. You are feeling a better person today, because whatever was obstructing your vision has cleared and you see things more clearly. Maybe in your work situation that may be the case. Maybe regarding some projects or assignments, whatever it may be. Because of your determined nature, because of your determination, you have seen things through. You are seeing things with much clarity today. Or it may be because of your honesty. You are someone who wants to do things in a very honest way. So whatever your intentions are, you go for those actions. And that may be true even in this relationship. You just want to be a very honest person. You want to build this relationship on honesty, and you are feeling really happy, feeling really optimistic about this relationship, because you know the truth today. You know that things are what is what today in this relationship. Maybe you have a better understanding of this person. Whatever was not working for you, You have cleared all that up. Maybe your expectation, whatever it is, and you are seeing a greater emotional growth, a spiritual growth, healing from your circumstances. And for your relationship, we have one card. So we will see what it is. It is Six of Air. So maybe today in this relationship, you are changing. You are changing for something better. Maybe you have seen a lot of troubles in this relationship, but you are someone who tries to find that balance, or you are expecting some troubles, maybe because of the way things are going in this connection. You are expecting something may go wrong, and something worse may happen. So you need to be prepared for something really not good in your situation, Taurus. So there may be circumstances taking you or making a drastic change today, but you are changing and you are having that belief in yourself. Your awareness is changing, and this relationship is changing you. That is what I see with these cards for your relationship. So for your career circumstances, we have one card. We will see what it is. It's Ace of Air. So you are ready for action in your career circumstances. You may see a lot of things happening, a lot of quick changes happening, taking you to the highest good or better changes in your work. And you may see some coincidences, maybe when you are thinking or planning for something, that plan or that path may come to you on its own. So some kind of a powerful destiny is working today in your life, Taurus. So you need not worry, everything is for the good. That is what I see with these cards. So let's see what is the message for you all, message from this person you love. So we have this card here. I know it might be too late by the time I figure things out. So maybe this person is still thinking of you. They want to find a way, though you may be in some troubles, things may not work out well. Even they are thinking of ways to change your destiny or change the way things are going in this relationship, Taurus. And for your fortune cookie for today, we have this card. Personal riches. Small successes are likely now and bigger ones are on the way. Finances could improve dramatically, but avoid get rich schemes. So that is your fortune cookie, your lucky inspiration for today, and that is the reading for you all today, Taurus. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, Taurus.